Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is get into 5 crypto picks that I think are going to do well this bull run. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. Some of these I do own, some I do not. Like number 2, and I only have a little bit of the last one. So if you do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment your top 5 picks. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the first one, and again, we could toss in Bitcoin in this category, but it's not going to do a 10x. I really don't think we're going to see, a $500,000 Bitcoin, if not higher. But these other projects I think can do it, and I'll explain why. So number 1, we're going to go with ADA Cardano. So we talk about this project quite a bit, but there are a couple of key factors. So number 1, it's only at 15 billion, and for a layer 1 proof of stake blockchain, this thing has a lot of potential. Last cycle, so at the top when the Moose was buying, Moose was getting loose, it was like 240, 250. I think it peaked at about $3 here. So since then, there has been a lot of improvements with ADA. We now have smart contracts. You now have multiple decentralized exchanges where you can swap, right, in a decentralized fashion. You can even take a look here, Sunday Swap launch. So many different projects that we're going to be talking about for the next couple months and years. You know, you got the Basel hard fork and whatnot. The Chain hard fork is happening with governance as well. So there's a lot of new implementation coming, and this is the year of interoperability with ADA. I mean, looking at a 40-cent ADA, this thing could easily get to, you know, the $5 to $8 mark, right? So that's what I'm expecting. So comment down below if you think that it could get there, but that's going to be number 1. I'm also going to be attending Rare Evo, so we're going to get quite a bit of footage there as well, at least for, you know, what's going on at the booths. So I'll let you guys know. So number two, what else could be a 10x? And again, these are safer picks. These are tokens that you can get where it's, in my opinion, right, very little risk, but huge upside. 10x is no joke. The next one's going to be Polkadot. So when Ethereum was founded, it was Vitalik Buterin, Charles Hoskinson. He left to build Cardano. And then it's Gavin Wood who left to work on Polkadot. So Polkadot, you go look at the contracts. You're talking about an interoperability play here. So blockchains will be able to communicate with each other in the future. And Polkadot, I think they have major partnerships already with Cardano. And as these other layer 1s grow, these projects will do well, in my opinion. So if we do see a bull run, let's take a look here. Polkadot, I have very little of this. I think I have like 1 or 2 tokens. It doesn't even count. Comment down below if you have some Polkadot, if you like it. One of my friends, he has Polkadot exclusively. He thinks this is God's greatest gift. Might be. On the 8th day, God created Polkadot. So let's see here. $4. It's been like that for a while, but I mean, you're talking about a 10x opportunity here for a layer 1. So, you know, I don't know if Polkadot acts more like a layer 0, but regardless, you're talking about a monolithic project that you could even stake. So Polkadot just very suppressed right now. And if you're looking for an interoperability play, might be it. So the next one, Matic layer 2 solution for Ethereum. Let's see where Matic is. It's got to be up here somewhere. There you go, Polygon. So they changed their name, whatever, a while ago. So here's the thing. Ethereum gas fees are very expensive, but a lot of people are still going to use ETH. Most altcoins, a lot of them are ERC20s. They're built on top of Ethereum. You could build DEXs and dApps and have your own tokens, NFTs, etc. Matic is at 50 cents now. When Ethereum, especially with the ETF, when the ETF comes, people are going to just view Ethereum as the GOAT of general all-purpose smart contract blockchains in its first, right? So with Polygon as a layer 2 scaling solution, it's going to be massive, right? It's going to be huge. BNB smart contracts, Solana, looking at all these here. So I'm on CoinMarketCap. At a 5 bill market cap, this thing could get silly. It could get very silly. We're going to blow past $2 if we're in a bull run. If that's happening, right? We don't know for sure. But I like the stock. I like the pick. I like the coin, right? So that's going to be number 3. Number 4, Cosmos. Cosmos. And I'll get into some reasons why. Okay. So let's take a look. Where's Cosmos on the list? This could be interchangeable. There are other options that are similar, like Chainlink. You got your oracles. But Cosmos, it's just suppressed, right? At a 2 bill, we're just looking at market cap wise. This at a 2 bill market cap could get silly. This has a 10x in it. This could get to a 20, 30. Let's see, $30, the peak of the last run. Let's say 35. It could go much higher than this, right? So Cosmos, really, that's the major interoperability play. If you want these blockchains to communicate and do well with each other. Cosmos also has a very generous APY. So if you have something like a ledger, that's what I have with this. You guys should be using cold storage. I do have a link tree, so use that if you want. I don't have a ledger one, but I like this wallet. This is the Ledger S Plus. I hold Atom on there and Cosmos Atom, right? And you can very easily stake and earn a little bit of the remaining supply. So I like Atom. I think it's a pretty easy 10x play given that we're going to hit a bull run if that does happen. So that's what I would be taking a look at here for sure. So let's get into number 5. Number 5 is going to be an interesting pick. The reason I have it on here is because as silly as it seems, a 10x with a project like this, I'm going to give some reasons why. So we're going to be talking about Solana, okay? Maybe you could even have this as more of like a 5x pick. 10x is, obviously we're creating YouTube videos here, but this could do very, 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 very well. Reason being is that I think this could hit a $1 trillion market cap. Given a bull run, given, maybe a year from now, and things are getting silly, it is possible. Now, $500 billion, like a 500 bill market cap, very doable. 5x with Solana, we're in play here. Main reasons, things are being built on it, but a lot has to happen. We're going to give this an asterisk. It does need the juice. So this is Barry Bonds pre-steroids we're looking at right here. So we're going to have to give it an asterisk for sure. So that's Solana. Other projects that I like, I might as well throw a couple in here, but really Solana, I like it because it's good, fast, cheap. Is it better than ADA? Do I believe that it's super decentralized? No, but a lot of venture capital money has been put into this, and I've used it. It's easy to set up with Phantom. It's easy to use their aggregator Jupe, and there are a lot of meme tokens, a lot of fun on Solana, and I just think we're going to see this thing do well. Okay, so even if you look at the Solana ecosystem, I do have a bit of Sol. I think it's like it might be top 5 now, not sure. But Solana, it's growing, right? Even on the 24-hour, let's see on the 1 week. A lot of meme tokens like Cat with Hat. I was calling this a while ago. There's some fun little memes we're going to be talking about later on as well. But really, those are my top 5 for the summer. I think these are going to be very simple, very easy and effective picks. Comment down below your top 5 simple, easy 10x picks. So if you guys want, head over to the Crypto Moose link tree. There's now the Tangent ring. So I have not pre-ordered mine yet, but I will. I got to measure, the Moose has to measure his ring size here. But if you use code Moose, you can save you save 10% off your Tangent. And it is like that for the ring. So if you pre-order the ring, you should get 10% off as well if you use code Moose. Okay. We now have over 500 of you that have bought a Tangem. So 500 referrals have been used. So that's awesome. It helps support the channel, makes things a lot of fun. So pre-order still available. I've done a video on this. So if you guys want, head over to the Crypto Moose YouTube channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Scroll down, Tangem Ring. I did an entire video on that. Also, we do have other links where you can save up to 25% off other hardware wallets. The Trezor, you do not, but you can support the channel by using the link. You also have quick links to the official channel NFT, the Crypto Moose Loose Moose NFT. So that one's fun. It's a collection of 499 NFTs. Activity has not been good. It's been quite weak, but that's okay. It's more for fun to support the channel, and we do have giveaways every now and again. So at the end of the year, I'm going to be taking a little bit of passive rewards from the NFTs, dumping it back. We're going to have some fun with this. Also, as we get into more metaverse projects, things like that, if you hold your Loose Moose, it's going to give you access to, maybe hanging out on the dome for Kopi, etc. So we do also have online courses. We have a free Cardano mini course. Guys, it's also on the YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube channel, go to the homepage. Right here, we've got the free Cardano mini course. It's an hour long. I don't even think there's ads in that. It may or may not be ad free. I don't know. But we do have Udemy courses. Follow us on socials. Get loose. So that's all we have for you. We'll see you in the next one. Comment your crypto picks.